Today, I will be making this using this, a utility knife. For that, I will be using this piece and carve a spoon. Similar to this one, and ironically enough to make a spoon you would need a spoon. So get one from your kitchen. Put the spoon on the piece and mark it. Once you have it marked out, then start slowly cutting it to the shape of the spoon. This will take a long time. Note that long actually. As you can see, trying to cut it from the middle is going to be difficult, so start from the sides and work your way towards the middle. It's a lot easier, as you will see. When you are carving, you would find that following the grain of the wood makes it more smooth and easier to cut. On the other hand, when you are going opposite to the grain, it makes things a lot more difficult, as you can see afterwards. Now that the basic shape is complete, you can start carving the spoon head. For that, you have to first draw a border around it. As you can see, I first tried to use the box cutter, but it didn't quite work out. Well, it was okay until a certain point. After that, it became more and more difficult to continue, so I switched to this. It's a carving knife. Now the spoon head is roughly complete. All I need to do to refine it is to sand it, but first I need to finish the handle. Now all that is left to do is a lot of sanding, cutting, you know, all that kind of stuff. A woodworker's worst nightmare, sanding. If you are into woodworking, you know how awful sanding can be, but it's unavoidable. Now put some finishing oil on it, and that's our spoon ready. Remember to use something that is food safe. I am just using some vegetable oil, it's the safest option. Here is the finished product. It is looking quite nice considering that I only used a box cutter. Not exactly, I could use another tool, but it was only like 1% of the whole thing. The main tool used was a box cutter. I didn't have to change the blade. A single blade was enough, and it's still sharp. I can probably make another one using this. That's kind of a stretch. I might just have to change it midway. I can also just sharpen it if I need to, or I can just change it. Goodbye and see you on the next one. If you liked what you saw, then consider subscribing, and good day to you all.